Yep. This might be dumb. Rocky Mountain with the cliff below us with studs in the snow. That sounds like a really smart idea, man. What is wrong with me? Now I'm not sure what I'm going to do here. I don't really want to turn down because then I'm losing elevation.
When you run it out, need to get unstuck, so go off. When you're up against the wall and you cannot fall, so go off, go off, go off, go off, so go off, go off, go off, go off. When you run it out, need to get unstuck, so go off. When you're up against the wall and you cannot fall, so go off, go off, go off, go off, so go off, go off, go off.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're off to a bit of a rough start. This is actually our second try of getting this ride going. I broke my KTM brake pedal off right away. So obviously I thought my ride was done, but rushed back to the truck, and luckily some friends had a spare Beta sitting in their trailer. So I robbed the brake tip off that. And now my group and Jay and all them are quite a ways ahead of me. So we're gonna put the charge on, try to find them, and yeah. So we're running Beta parts on the KTM today. That's the kind of start we're off to. Well, little update. We have found their track, so at least we know we're going the right direction now. And yeah, see if we can catch back up to him here somewhere. I mean, I just told him to go ahead because I didn't actually think I'd be able to luck out and find a brake tip to continue on. So I guess I guess I could have asked them where they planned on going. That would have been maybe smart, but you know. What's that? No, I got Beta parts. Beta parts on the KTM. I just went there and I'm like, hey Ryan, you wouldn't have a spare brake tip? He's like, ah, no man. He's like, oh, I got a spare Beta in the trailer. I'm like, yeah, it might work. And then it's not like perfect, but I mean, at least I got some of a brake. Well, I guess we know the plan for the day. We're gonna go get up on top of a mountain. So yeah, I guess when you see snow down in the valley bottom again, where's the first place you want to head? There's another about 1,500 feet in elevation, you know, because there's gonna be no snow up there or nothing. It should be pretty easy, you know, no challenge at all. But I guess we'll find out. A little bit of a double log up action. Failed that time though. Should have got the front tire over both of them, but wasn't looking like that was going to work out, so I thought I better set it down a little early, trying to make it, or try and stretch it, then nosedive right into the face of that log. Oh, yikes. I didn't like that very much. Let's go up here, see if I can video the guys. That's one thing I gotta do better, is like, I'm so focused on my riding that like, I should stop every once in a while and actually try to video guys. Oh, there we go. nice. Rock avoidance. Oh, you did really good. Nice. Smooth. Oh, a little bit of a tickle. Oh, yeah. There's studs on the rock. Look at that. Nice work. All right. I don't know if it will make this climb. Maybe. You make her up? Woo! Camera time! This is steeper than it looks. Oh, yeah. Got her! Nice! Oh, oh. Oh! Look at that, good work. Oh! A little helping hand. Woohoo! Hey, everywhere to do her on the hill, he does her at the top. Whoa! That was like a really slow. That was a really slow loop out. Yeah. Try and stay on that sunny exposed south side. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Made her. Can actually go somewhere, or if it's just like nope, can't go nowhere. This is where I really try not to spin. I want my studs to last. What's Jay eyeing up now for our next adventure? Oh, big drop, you know, man. Oh, nice. When are we going down there? Not today. Can we cross here? Or is it too much snow? Yeah. Do I really want to mess with that? Probably not. Might be really stupid. Kind of feeling like it's really stupid. Oh God. Huh. Yep. This might be dumb. This might be really dumb. Rocky Mountain with the cliff below us with studs in the snow. That sounds like a really smart idea, man. And I don't know if I'm gonna go any farther anyways. What is wrong with me? Well, I should probably turn around. Like, I'm sure there's more of you guys like me that you just see something, you know you probably shouldn't do it, and everyone with you is going to be like, you're an idiot. But damn, I just can't help myself sometimes. Now I'm not sure what I'm going to do here. Oh my gosh. I don't really want to turn down because then I'm losing elevation. Come on, baby. That was smart. Well, guys, super cool to be up on top of mountains mid-April. Is just so sick. And I mean, if anyone has doubts about riding studs and you love dirt biking and you want to extend your season, you should probably get some, because it's to be able to do this in mid-April is so sick. Yeah, like I said, guys, super sick to be up here mid-April. I think we really wanted to push we could make it to that peak or go that way a little bit, but Jay now has a flat tire because some random reason Jay decided to put a tube in instead of a moose. So good one, Jay. Well, whatever. Still sick that we got up here. Head down. We might veer off into some canyon, not sure. So only one way to find out. So catch up with the lads. Probably shut this thing off. You know, fuel prices are so high nowadays. Anywhere we can shut these bikes off, conserve some fuel, conserve some dollars, you know. I mean, honestly, if you've watched my video, the 5 things I hate most about this bike, and some like long rides, I actually shut it off to conserve fuel on the bike, because that's one thing I don't like about it, is the TPI models are better on fuel than these bikes. So you actually got to think about your fuel level a little more than you did before, which I think really sucks. You know, this bike I think is definitely superior from the previous generation, but they definitely went backwards in the fuel capacity or I don't know if it's so much capacity or fuel efficiency range. So yeah, some of them bigger, longer rides, you're definitely have the fuel level on your mind more than you'd like to.
Got no brake? Yeah, my wheel's spinning. It's spinning on the rim. You need some zip ties? I need something. I got it on zip ties before. Help a little bit through the spokes. Crank your rim long up. I had a wrench too, but that one's handy. You got it?
Other issue? No brake? Oh yeah, no, your rim's just spinning. As she's dickered. Oh, look at that bling. Huh? Yellow, blue. Wow. Some nice zip ties.
Spinners.
Good as new?
Everything.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
See how far we make her.
Do not post that.
Down we go. So, since my bike and I now self-identify as a mountain bike, do we, can we go on the mountain bike trails and stuff? That'd be super cool. Because, I mean, you know, we got wider tires, kind of fat bike in it. That'd be cool. You think the mountain bikers will let us on the trails? I'm not going to go up them. I just want to go down. Let me just ride the road up, and then I'll be like an e-bike, and then I'll go down. I'll hit some of your like cool board drop things. Shit. Wow. That didn't count. Damn it. It'd actually be really cool to do that. Like, you know, go to a mountain bike club and be like, hey, can we just like coast the dirt bikes down and like hit some of the jumps? Because like with the, I don't know, I wonder if they would let you guys do that, because that'd be really cool. Like I've always like thought like, you know, it'd be cool with some of these trails coming from moto, that if we had like some cool like wooden drops and stuff mixed in, because like it looks so sick with what the mountain bikers make. But I know they really don't like us on their trails, and we don't go on their trails. But I think it's most people because they try climbing them and then they spin and ruin it. But I think just going down coasting, I don't think it'd make much of a difference. So guys, I think that's gonna wrap our day up. Obviously a little shorter day than we originally planned for, but we're just trying to limp Jay's bike out. We thought it'd be fine, like, you know, just a flat tire, big deal. But nah, the rim started turning inside the tires, so we knew we were kind of game over after that. So we're just trying to limp them out. Should be okay. But as far as going exploring and doing some other cool trails, that'll have to wait another day. So hope you guys liked the video, and if you stuck around this long, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, the season's just getting started, and cannot wait to ditch the studs and get on the rubber and get to the really cool stuff. So like always guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.